This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath ranch home in Warren. School district is Warren Consolidated School, close to 12 Mile and one Dyke. This house is the first house on the street next to the commercial buildings. Give you a street view. A very nice and quiet street. So let's go inside the house and check it out. House has vinyl siding, newer shingle. Fascia is wood. So does have to be painted from time to time. Right now we're in the living room. This one has a hardwood flooring. Hardwood flooring could use some refinishing, but overall not too bad. At least the flooring, the boards are flat. This is the problem we have. We do have a substantial ants problem. So the ants have built quite some burrows at the entrance of the house. But these are the smaller ants. These are not more invasive carpenter ants or termite. So this could be eradicated by the terminator or pest control company. Kitchen's very nice, got tiled flooring. Cabinets looks great. This has been refinished, so this probably is the oak. If you look carefully, you can still see the wood grain. Does have quartz countertop, glass backsplash, and range hood. This one is not vented. Stove, electric stove, is dirty, needs to be serve clean. Stainless steel appliances. The fridge is nice. Vinyl window there. This is the mudroom. So the floor is pitched towards the drain, and here's the furnace and water heater tank. Furnace probably is 15 years old, 15 to 20 years old. Water heater tank about the same age. Does have copper plumbing, which is nice. This probably is the water main, I guess. Yeah, that's the water main. But a little bit too close to the wall, so in the winter time need to watch out. GE circuit breaker panel that checks out. This is the hallway, has plenty of storage space. This is clean. Bedroom 1, laminate floor, in decent shape. Windows okay. Got ceiling light, it's nice. Bedroom 2, this one has the hardwood flooring. The floor in this room is in better shape. This room feels larger too. And this is the bedroom 3. Bedroom 3, decent size, about the same size as the other room. Flooring is laminate. This is the bath. Bath is okay. Very clean ceramic tile. Vanity nice. Vanity probably just could use some cleaning. Will make it shine. Missing that drain plug or the drain lever. The top appears to be refinished, but refinishing is okay. Yeah. There's a bubble on the ceiling next to the exhaust fan. There may be some moisture issue or a minor roof leak, but overall not too bad. So this is the house on Anna Avenue in Warren. I found the access hatch to the attic, so this is the place where you enter the attic to check the water, the condition of the roof. This is the backyard. Got water issue. So Not sure what happened here. This looks like a minor flooding in the backyard. This is quite a damp. Actually, this is the pond. Wow. I hope this is from that refrigeration truck on the commercial lot. This is the garage. So the configuration of the garage make it very hard to park, because this is not facing straight to the driveway. This is actually a side discharge. And also, considering the space here is quite tight, probably you can only park the small car in the garage. And also, this is truly a two-car. There isn't much space on either side, but at least the sill plate is in relative good shape. Some of the stud is rot or starts to rot at the bottom, so those needs to be replaced. This section probably was rebuilt at one point. And also no garage door opener. Some siding needs to be repaired as well. That's the electrical feed. Garage shingle is old, but at least there's no big tree. Back of the house, again the fascia needs to be painted, but otherwise the house appears to be okay. Especially at this price point. This house is priced at $120,000. So price definitely is reasonable.